Today I'm sharing my favorite game day dish in a dash, oven nachos. These nachos are a little different because we're going to be using in-store tortillas paired with our shortcut zucchini and squash. You're just going to want to take a foil-lined baking sheet, preheat that oven to 350, evenly position your tortilla chips and zucchini. You're going to then sprinkle a nice serving of reduced fat cheese. Top with your favorite beans. I'm using a mixture today of our black beans. You could use pinto or kidney. And then also finishing off with a little bit of bell pepper. You could do an option like a tomato. I like it a little spicy, so I'm always gonna add in some sliced jalapenos, also from our shortcut section, just to make this a little bit quicker. Bake this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. The last 5 minutes, add another little dose of cheese, and then finish with guacamole before serving. You're sneaking in some veggies and your favorite game day snack.